Okay, this is how you use the local harvest delivery online ordering system. Once you subscribe, you're going to log in, and this is the first screen that you will see. As a new customer, you need to decide what you want to order. If you want to pick one of our harvest boxes as a reoccurring order, or if you just want to shop for what you want. I suggest checking out the harvest boxes. The way that it works is we create the harvest boxes every Monday for what's coming for that Saturday delivery. So on Monday, after we've talked to the farmers, we create the box and we update the website, and then we send you an email. Then you have from Monday, that time, until Wednesday, 3 p.m. to order, customize your box, make changes. If you are looking at this site and it's after Wednesday, 3 p.m. or a little early on Monday, any days in between, you're not going to see this what's inside. That's because we haven't created the box for that next Saturday yet. At this point, we are Tuesday, which I always recommend. Once you become a customer, just always log on Tuesdays. The boxes will definitely be created. Everything will be updated. It will look great. So, what's inside? So, I'm looking here at our harvest box choices. We have the 4 choices here. And as a new customer, I'm going to try this little harvest box. And I have lots of choices here at Local Harvest Delivery, so I can just try it this week, next week. Our most common thing when trying is to just set a reoccurring order for every week, which is every Saturday. And again, you can change this week by week. So at any point after I get my box, I can say, no, I want a different box, or no, I want to try just ordering whatever I want. So you are not committed to anything with our service. So yes, this is where I want to deliver. Yes, this is the delivery date. So, okay. So now the box just went into my cart. And it's for every week. So now I go to this Saturday, and here I can see the little harvest box is there. And because it's between that Monday and Wednesday time frame, I get this little customized box button here. If the box had not been created yet and it's not ready, you will not see this. At that point, you should just log out of here and wait until Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday of the following week. Log in, you'll get this customized box. So now you can click Customize Box. And here you'll see what's coming in the box. It's listed here. And as you can see, default value 1, that means it's coming in the box. So we have 1 melon, 1 pound plums or pluots, 1 bunch of carrots, 1 pound peppers, and so forth. So I just review what's coming in the box. If it says 0, it's not in the box. This can be used as a sub. So I'm going to go through here. I don't need carrots this week. I don't need radish. I don't need kale. Everything else looks really good. So I have 3 items now that I can fill up my box with. So I'm going to come look at these zeros here. I love shishito peppers, so I'm going to add one of those. And I love Little Gem lettuce, so I'm going to add one of those. And I have one more. And if one of the items that's in the box has a max quantity of 2 or more, that means you can add more of it. So I know these melons are supposed to be really good this week, so I am going to add that. So I get 2 of them. Let's say I wanted more peppers. That's a max quantity of 1, so I can't do that while customizing the box. So I review again here. This looks great. One very important thing, if you want this to save, you have to click Save and Checkout or Save and Continue Shopping. If you just X out of here or go to another tab, it will not save and it will go back to that original box. So I always love to say Save and Continue Shopping. There we go. And so that's been saved. Now I want to shop around for more items. So I'm going to go to the fruit and vegetable shopping category. Okay. Thinking. And then view all. This might be set to view 12, and you want to switch it to view all so you don't have to keep going next page, next page. So I'm just going to look. I'd love 2 avocados this week, so that I just click add to delivery, and there it goes. It's on my order. My family loves berries, so I'm going to get 2 blueberries added in there. And 2 baskets of strawberries. And as you can see, you just go down the line, look at all of this that we have available, and you just pick whatever else you need. Then you come back up here, and you can shop in all our other categories, so dairy and eggs. So as you can see, you can do this. You can add one on. Another feature that I do, so eggs. I need eggs every week. So instead of just saying add to delivery, I'm going to go to the frequency area here, and I'm going to say every week. And I want to start it this week. And there we go. So reoccurring weekly, as you can see. So every week I'm going to have my little harvest box on there and my eggs on there. And again, you can change that within the week. You can X that out if you want to. No commitment here. Then let's say we have meats, we have stuff in the fridge, we have pantry. So I'm going to go to the fridge here. And we love hummus, but we don't eat the hummus that fast. So another thing I can do here is instead of saying I want it every week, I want the hummus every other week. So you can set individual items at any delivery frequency that works best for you. So that's that. That's how you do that. You can just get the box. You can get the box and get additional items on top of it. One other thing. So let's say you don't want one of our harvest boxes. Let's say you want to just get what you want, which is perfectly fine. You just want to shop for exactly what you want. So you have your eggs, you have your hummus, avocado, they don't have to be reoccurring here, but you can just basically shop a la carte. And the only thing that is required for you to get free delivery is you have to reach $50. So as you can see, now that I've taken off the box, delivery charge, $10. So I need to get $9.75 more on here. So I'm gonna go to the pantry. And here, I'm just gonna add this coffee because it's gonna bring me up. So here we go, $56.25 for this order, free delivery. Just have to go over $50 if that's what you want to do. So that's that. That's how you customize. Everything is saved for you. You don't have to check out. And another thing is, so here's my account. You can see your account info, upcoming deliveries. Now let's say you wanted to skip a delivery. You honestly can just go into your cart and X out for that date, or you can go to delivery hold here. And if you go to delivery hold, you just put a date like let's say I wanted to skip the 17th, I would just say skip Friday the 16th to the 18th, and that will skip that Saturday. So that's how you do that. I mean, let's say you messed up, you remove the hold. So, and thank you for watching this full video. For watching it, I want to show you we have a discount code. The way you use the discount code is in the cart right here. So the discount is First Harvest 15. You press apply. This will give you $15 off your first order. So as you said, it said it right there. Thank you. A $15 credit has been applied to your account. Unfortunately, the system does not show it here, but it has happened. And it will happen. If you have an order set for Saturday, I bill the Thursday before your Saturday order. And when I go to run that billing, that $15 credit is on your account and it will subtract from this order right here. If you have any questions, concerns about that, you just email us. If you need help with this system, please do not get frustrated. The email is info, at localharvestdelivery.com. I'm Sarah, one of the owners, and there's also Julie. We answer that email very fast and we're happy to help. Okay, thanks for watching. Enjoy your fruits and veggies. Bye.